Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, November 7th. Two important economic news releases scheduled for today. We'll start with the weekly jobless claims. And last week we had 345,000 people applying for unemployment. The forecast for this week is supposed to come down a little bit to 335, and it came in at 336. So pretty much right about forecast on the weekly jobless claims, so decent number there. And then last but not least, we got the GDP for today. This is the second revision for the third quarter. The final revision will come out next month. So the first revision came out at 2.5% growth for the third quarter. And the forecast is supposed to taper down a little bit, down to 2.3, and it jumped up to 2.8. So awesome numbers there. Obviously, the final revision won't happen until next month for the third quarter. But obviously, good news for the third quarter for the second revision here. Let's jump over to headline news here. So right now the stock market's down, but we had good news. Why is that? A lot of it's just the investors are feeling a little bit, starting to get a little skittish because where the market's at, it's at a very high level. They may be reaching towards the peaks here, and so right now they're just kind of taking in some profit takings. They remember the last financial crisis where they kind of lost a lot of money, so they just want it while the market's up. They want to cash in now and take in some of the profits before they work their way upwards again. So this is what it's looking like right now. So across the market, across the indexes, the stock market is currently down. Some other news this morning came out was that the European Commission did lower their interest rate, so that kind of surprised markets. They were hoping that they would do something to stimulate, so that's their stimulation answer right there. So they got what they wanted for it, but I think they kind of surprised them a little bit on the pleasant side of things. And then also something that's not really affecting the markets right now, but something to watch out for. The Chinese are having their third plenum. Basically what this is all the party leaders are gathering together and discuss. And the reason why this is important is because this is thought to be, with a lot of things that's going on in China, for maybe a very big financial crisis that could affect the whole world and the global economy, to pollution, to a lot of different factors over there that you could see some this meeting of the minds, so to speak, could bring out some sweeping changes and reforms going on in China. So this could be something that could be a dramatic effect, and if it's something on the financial nature, this could and be a positive. This could affect on the global level as well. So it's something to watch out for. I haven't seen a lot of press on it, but this is something that the Chinese leaders are meeting this weekend and probably make some announcements next week around the 12th to keep an eye open for this. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market and see what's going on with the interest rates. We have a slight improvement today. The rates aren't really changed from where we left off yesterday because we're only up about 6 basis points. We usually kind of need 12 basis points or higher for that, but right now it looks like we've touched off the 102 level and pulled back a little bit. So again, we could be hanging this range. Be careful tomorrow. We got the jobs numbers, but that high GDP. This is something with the cash in, we could lose some steam here in the bond market and actually can come back downwards. Probably even hit down towards the 104, 101.40ish level in that range as well. So be very cautious right now. Jobs numbers, if it's a poor number, it could help us out, but if it's a good number, it could, for rates, it could hurt us a little bit. But on the good side, the flip side, it will probably most likely help out the stock market. All right, folks, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. So remember, be very careful. We got some another very important news coming out tomorrow, and that is the jobs numbers. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.